Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing another VR accessory review for your MetaQuest 2 headset. We're going to be looking at this power bank designed by Kiwi Design for powering your MetaQuest 2. Maybe you don't have a battery strap, maybe you have a battery lead strap but you want a little extra power. This can do that for you. If you go on the Kiwi store, you can find it there for $82 regular. If you use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, you can get 5% off on their website. Currently on Amazon you can get bundles of accessories by Kiwi Design, so you can get the battery pack and controller grip covers for $82. You can get the battery pack and the facial interface for $90. You can get the battery pack and the comfort head strap for $90. And then you can get the battery pack and the audio head strap for $115. So those make the battery pack much more affordable and maybe definitely more worth your consideration. So I'll link all those below and you can check those out as well. In this one I will unbox it. I will show you how to put it on, and then I'll show you with it on the head strap and on my head and give you my thoughts and review of it in the end. So let's jump into this one. Okay, let's open this up here. So here we have the little clip that'll go on the side of your head strap for the cord, to hold the cord into place. Here you can see the cord has a regular USB port and then the USB-C. And our power bank has an out and an out and an in. So it's charged through USB-C. Got a button on the top. I don't know if it has any charge right now. And then on the back there you can see these large Velcro pads there to go on. So it shows this being installed in two different spots. Here I just have the regular battery strap, which it'll work fine on. You can either install it, it shows it being installed right here, and then you would just wrap this around tight, being on there. That will weigh it down right now, but once it's on your head that would be okay. And then it also shows it, see that it sticks to it there, it also shows it being attached right here as well, with your outlets going towards the side where you'd actually plug it in. So by installing it at the bottom of your head strap down here, that's going to act a bit as more of a counterweight than on the top, I believe. So that's how you install it. Then you plug the cord in here. And then since I'm using the battery head strap already, I've already got something to hold the cord there. But then that's where you would put this, right on the side here. And then you could go and plug that in there as well. I mean, technically, since I have the battery head strap on, I could use this to plug into this, that would plug into that. That would be quite the chain of batteries going on. So installation's really easy. I'm going to use it a little bit here. I'll show you me with it on in both different spots. I'll let you know which one I like better. And yeah, I will give you my review of it. Alright, so if we weigh this here, this battery comes in at 254 grams. So if you're not using like a battery head strap like I have attached here, if you're just using like the comfort head strap by Kiwi Design, or a different one by another company, or just the stock head strap, this is going to create a nice counterbalance for the actual headset here, right? It's going to balance this in the back so that weight is more equalized across your head. The original one here weighs about 450, I believe, if I remember right. And so this isn't quite the exact same, but that will still create a nice counterbalance for you. Alright, so I have been able to use this a little bit. I wanted to show you with it on here, and then I'll put it down here as well, just to kind of show you what it looks like actually on my head. Again, I just have the actual battery head strap. I don't have just the comfort head strap. That counterbalance will be different if you just have a comfort head strap, one or just one without a battery from a different company here. So I have it on the top there. Sorry, I should have loosened this before. Alright, so there you can see it here on the top. So I can feel that extra weight on top a little bit here, especially since I already have extra weight because of the other battery on the back of this one. It hasn't been uncomfortable on the top there. I feel like being on this strap and just being on the top of the back, that's a pretty good spot for it. The cord goes nicely there. I found, you know, when you're moving your head around, I guess I can show you here too. Tighten this back on. You know, when I'm moving my head around, I can feel a little bit with the up and the down. The sides to the sides, it stays pretty good. I'm not too worried about that. So I'm going to take this off. I'll quickly switch it here to the bottom and then show you what it looks like on that bottom piece there. Alright, so there it is, attached to the bottom now, with the output coming out to the same side as the input here. So again, I'll put this on for you. Okay. Again, do a little shake test for you. Having it down on the bottom here is actually, I feel like it's way more secure than on the top. I feel like that's, you know, that's not going anywhere. You really have to, you do kind of have to wrap it tighter on there because it is a little bit smaller than up on top here. But that's a good spot for it. That's not going anywhere. And I feel like this is a better counterbalance being on the bottom than it was on the top. On the top, however, there is, since this is kind of that Velcro on the back of this, other than just the straps, there is that little piece of Velcro, so it does stick to that a little bit better, where that we don't have that down on the back of the strap here. But for me, I do like this bottom part better for this battery head strap. So it is 10,000 mAh, which is almost double what most of the other battery head straps are. This one, the Kiwi battery head strap, I believe is around 6,000 mAh. So this one's, you know, just about double. That's going to get you, you know, an extra 4 to 5 hours of playtime just with this power bank here, which is pretty good. If you already have just like the comfort head strap or a head strap that you like and you don't want to, you know, spend over $100 to get a battery head strap, this is an option for you. The price point right now, I just looked on their website, it's $82. You can find just power banks on Amazon for about half that price if you're interested. You wouldn't be able to necessarily attach them quite as nicely as this one, but I know a lot of people I've seen in different Facebook groups just, you know, keep the power bank in their pocket and then have a long cord running up to their headset, which is definitely an option. If you're wanting it to attach nicely to a head strap, this one is a good option for you. But if you were planning to get other accessories as well, again, you can check out those bundles on Amazon.com. I will link all those below. You can check all those out because it makes this battery pack much more affordable and worth the price. When you press the button, the lights are a little bit dim, but you can see there's 4 lights there that tell you what the charge is right now. This one's at 75%. I got 3 lights out of 4 right now. So overall, would I recommend this? Well, if you already have the Kiwi comfort strap and you're looking to add some battery pack to it and you want it to attach to your head strap, this is a good option for you because it's going to attach nice and snug, act as a nice counterbalance. But if you are just looking for some extra power, maybe just find an extra power bank. Make sure your voltages are correct though, right? This one's made for a Quest 2, and so this one's going to do what it's supposed to for you. And the nice thing it is just a power bank, and so you can use this to charge other things as well, right? If you're out and about and you need your phone to be charged a little bit, this can act as a charger for that as well. So that's my thoughts. Thank you for checking this one out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I appreciate you watching this one. On the Kiwi store, you can use my promo code Brian Sloan at all capital letters to get 5% off. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I encourage you to do so, and we'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.